So last week we started Pakinaka, yeah. In Pakinaka there are 6 sections, yeah. Vedana Sangaha, feeling, and Hetu Sangaha, roots, and Keja Sangaha, function, and Dwara Sangaha, tools, Aramana Sangaha, object, and Vatu Sangaha, basis. So the first Sangaha section is almost finished, yeah. I hope I can continue to the next section. I don't know, but I need to confirm how you understand the first session, yeah. So in the first session, Vedana Sangaha. So last week we talk about this, yeah. So in this table, you can see Sukhendriya and Sukha Vedana. It's a pleasure, the feeling. There's only one, yeah. If you digest the first chapter, yeah, consciousness chapter is not very complicated, yeah, not very difficult, very easy to see. And then Dukkha Vedana, pain, and also this one, also one. And Somanasa Vedana, joy is altogether 62. Here in this chapter, actually you should know what are these, where are these, yeah? If you know that, it's more effective to continue another chapter, yeah? And Somanasa Vedana, or joy, feeling, the feeling of joy, 62. And Domanasa is only 2, and Ubeka is altogether 55. So, and this is by way of governing faculty, Indriya Beta. So another way of another one is a way of affective quality, in Pali, Anubhavana. So in this way, there is only 3 feelings, yeah, not 5, yeah. The first one is a Sukha Vedana, is collectively Somanasa and Sukha, yeah, Sukha altogether. Somanasa 62 and Sukha is 1, altogether 63. And Dukkha Vedana, this one also mix together with Dukkha and Domanasa, altogether 3. And Adukha Masuka, here left out. Adukha Masuka Vedana, neither painful nor pleasant, equal to Ubeka, is altogether 55, yeah. So this is analysis of consciousness by feelings, yeah. And last week we have already talked here, just run through to see where are these feelings, Vedana, yeah. What kind of consciousness has what kinds of feelings, yeah. So the first one, Sukha Vedana, is here, yeah, and Dukkha Vedana is here, and Domanasa 2 is here, and Somanasa Vedana is here, is 4, and no Somanasa here. Here is 1 Somanasa, and here also 1, here 4, and out of this 8 also 4, this 8 also 4. And another one is first to 4th jhana is Somanasa, listed as a Somanasa. Here is 4, and out of this 5 also 4, and this 5 also 4. All the Arubhavachara Chaita, formless sphere consciousness, are included in the feeling of Ubekha, yeah. And in the Lokuttara Chaita is a Sotabhati Magga, you know, 5 Vedana, yeah, 5 Vedana, 5 Sotabhati Magga. Out of these 5, also 1 to 4 is Somanasa. So here 4, 4, 4, 4, all these. So altogether, you will have 62 somanasa. And Ubeka is here is 4, and here's 2, maybe here 6, yeah. So this is a dukkha. And this one, sukha and somanasa, the others are ubeka, and here also 2, here 4, here also 4, here also 4. And the fourth jhana is ubeka, and here also 1, here also 1, and all the 12 formless sphere consciousness 12 are included in the ubeka. And out of the Sotapaddi Magga 5, 1, so altogether 8 ubeka here. So you will have altogether 55 ubeka vedana. Yeah. So next one is the analysis of mental factors, Chittasika. So I want to go deep, yeah, because we have talked a little bit. We have talked, I think, 1 hour last week, yeah. But analysis of mental factors, I want to exercise a little bit, yeah, because to understand clear is very important, yeah. So here is a analysis of mental factors. So I want to see from here. So the first group is universal 7, yeah, universal mental factor 7. So all these 7 are can combine with how many jhatas? These 7 is together with all consciousness, right? All consciousness, yeah, 89 and 121. So if you are asked, yeah, and how many feelings are together with the phassa, so then you know all 5 feelings are together with the phassa, yeah, because this phassa is together with all the consciousness. So that's why here there are 5 feelings, okay? So then the other mental factors also the same. So this is it's very important to understand the analysis of mental factors, yeah? So next you have to see Vitaka. So Vitaka, how many consciousness are together with the Vitaka? So altogether 55, yeah? 55. What are the 55? I think here, yeah? 55 consciousness are together with the Vitaka. So what are these 55? If you know that, then you understand. You know, most of the Abhidhamma books also, they don't say how to look at it, yeah? Just saying, Vitaka has, this is feeling together with the Vitaka. It's written like that, as far as I know. So this is very important to understand this, yeah? So the Vitaka are together with 55, yeah? I have to message. All 5, yeah. Okay. 5. So 55 consciousness, yeah? These 55 are, out of this 12, 18, 24, altogether 54. Out of this 54, we have to exclude these, yeah? And these 10, 2 sets of 5-fold sense consciousness, yeah? So here 44. And this is included in the jhana factor. So that's why you have to see there's an 121. Yeah. So then Vitaka, if you see the first jhana, you can find the Vitaka is here. And second jhana, there's no Vitaka. So then first jhana 1, here also 1 first jhana, 1 first jhana, and 12 formless pure consciousness is included in the Ubeka. Yeah. So that's why cannot be together with the Vitaka. And Sotabati Magga also has first jhana. So all these 8. So here is 8 first jhana. Yeah. So these together with these 3, 11 first jhana. So these consciousness are together with Vitaka. So you have to see in this 55. Now you see Somnasa 1, and Ubeka also you see this. Yeah, Ubeka and Domanasa also. And you cannot see the Dukkha because already excluded, and Sukha as well. So if you are asked how many feelings has the Vitaka, does have the Vitaka, so only 3. So that is the technique how to understand this. So the other mental factor also in this way, then you can understand. Yeah. So here in this table, you see Vitaka. Where is the Vitaka? Vitaka is here. So here, Somnasa, Domanasa, Ubeka, Somnasa, Domanasa, Ubeka. So now you know, if you understand the first and consciousness chapter and Chittasika, yeah, Chitta chapter and Chittasika chapter, if you know the technique, then you know this table, you understand that. So let's see the PT, yeah? How many consciousness are together with the PT? Then let's look at here. So PT, sense pure consciousness accompanied by joy is 18, and first jhana 11, second jhana 11, third jhana 11, all together 51. So here also let's see together. So PT, sense pure consciousness accompanied by joy. So you will have these 4 accompanied by joy. This is accompanied by equanimity. This is with the dominasa, so it's very clear. And this one also cannot be together. Here, yeah, 1 to 6 and 8 cannot be together with the PT. So here is only 1. Here also Ubeka, here 1, and here 4, and here also 4, and here also 4. And first jhana, now you know that, yeah, 1st to 4th is included in the Somnasa, but PT, if you see the PT, in the first jhana, you can see second jhana and third jhana, but in 4th jhana, you're going to find the PT. So that's why first jhana 11, I think you remember how to count the 11, yeah? Second jhana 11 and third jhana 11. So here is 1, 1, 1, 3, and here is 8, altogether 11, here also the same. So PT has only Somnasa, yeah, only accompanied by joy. You got it? Yeah, okay, yeah. Sometimes I have to run through. I need to finish within the time limit, yeah. Actually, out of this 6 session, is a Abhidhammattha Sangaha, the chapter, the session of feeling is the easiest. So that's why the piti has only one feeling. So dosa group. Dosa group, let's see together. Yeah. So dosa group is how many? Yes, a dosa group. Yeah. Dosa group, dosa, asa, machariya, and kukuja. So how many consciousness can be together with the dosa group? But it's quite clear. Yeah. Quite clear because the dominasa group, dosa group can be only dosa mula, yeah, hatred-rooted consciousness only two. So then it has only one feeling. What feeling? Dominasa vedana. So that's why dosa group has only one feeling. And Vichiketa. So Vichiketa also very clear. Vichiketa is together with only Vichiketa consciousness. Yeah, here. Vichiketa consciousness. So it is accompanied by Ubeka. So that's why Vichiketa also one feeling. And Loba group. So let's see the Loba group. Loba group is here, Loba, Deity, and Mana. Yeah. So how many consciousness can be together with? Yeah. So Loba groups is, the easy one is this Loba Mula. Yeah. Greed-rooted consciousness. Then what are another? No. Yeah. So Loba group is can combine with the only with the greed-rooted consciousness. So then you have a two feeling. Yeah. Two feeling is somanasa and ubeka. And Sovana Chitasika 25. So Sovana Chitasika, beautiful 19 beautiful universals, and 3 Vidati, and 3 Abhamanya, and Amoha, yeah, Panyendriya. So altogether 25. So all these 25 consciousness are together with 59 and 91 consciousness here. So from here, 24, 15, 12, and 40. So altogether, 59 and 91 consciousness. So here, all these here, there is a no sukha, no ubeka, no dukkha, but somanasa and ubeka. So only these two, yeah, only these two. So all the beautiful Chitasika matter factors has only two feelings. And next, 5 Pakinaka Chitasika except PT. So PT has only one. Here you can find it. And another 5 Pakinaka Chitasika are together with Somanasa, Domanasa, and Ubeka. So PT we have already seen that, and Vichara, PT already, it has only one feeling, and Vitaka, here you see only 3, Somanasa, Domanasa, and Ubeka. Vichara as well the same. And Adimauka also, so only these two sets of fivefold sense, consciousness and doubt, must be excluded. And in the other consciousness, you can find somanasa, domanasa, and ubbeka, and viriya as well. So here, 12 unwholesome consciousness. So even in the 12 unwholesome consciousness, you have 3 feelings, yeah? Somanasa, domanasa, and ubbeka. So it's very easy to see, yeah? All the other also you can find very easily. Here in Chanda as well, all consciousness except 2 delusion-rooted consciousness and 18 ahituka consciousness. So here also 3 feeling. Yeah. So 6 sabbajaita sadharana. Yeah. 7 universal. Yeah. 7 universal. But Vedana, we have to exclude it because unless we talk about that, Vedana, how many Vedana does have the Vedana mental factor? We cannot say like that. Yeah. I gave an example. How many? How to say? Kusalasami cannot go with the Kusalasami. Yeah. So there's only one. Yeah. So that's why how many Vedana have this mental factor Vedana? So that's why we have to exclude it. So these 7, out of the 7 universal mental factor, 6 universal mental factors has 6 feelings. Sorry, no, 5 feeling. Yeah, 5. So this is analysis of mental factors. I hope you got it. Yeah. And next section, can I go? If you have any question about the feelings section, I hope, yeah, that's enough. So next Sangaha is a Hetu Sangaha. So here, Hetu means roots, yeah. You will find in the Pali dictionary a lot of definition, yeah. Maybe you can find sometimes cause, sometimes condition, yeah, like that. But here it means Hetu means root, yeah, root. So there are 6 roots. We have already know that. So this Pakenaka is, from my point of view, is a very important. I feel like a preparation for the next step. So if you are talking about a consciousness, it has such a feeling, it has such a root, it has such a doors, such a function, objects, like that, such a base. So that's one is a very important chapter here. So altogether 6 roots you have already learned in the consciousness chapter. So in Pali, lobha, and greed, dosa, hatred, and delusion, moha, and alobha with a, yeah, just you put out. Alobha, non-greed, adosa, non-delusion, and amoha, non-delusion, yeah. So this one you see only, you had already seen in the first chapter I made it, yeah. So the rooters are there, you know. Here, these rooters are working behind, or I don't know how to say, these roots are conditioning the all other consciousness. So if you are talking about the one consciousness, you must know what kind of feeling it has, what kind of roots is conditioning this consciousness, like that, yeah. So 6 roots, you have already know that. So let's see this, yeah, a little bit complicated, but as far as I I try my best to make it clear. Clear. Okay, so before that, I want to talk about the this, yeah, here roots are kusala, yeah, kusala and abhyagata. It's a not very difficult one if you understand the mental factor session, yeah. So kusala. So out of this 6 roots, these 3 is very clear. Akusala roots, yeah, and wholesome roots, yeah. Greed, hatred, and delusion. It is akusala and wholesome roots. And these 3 is a kusala root, yeah, kusala root. So why we can say the kusala root or akusala roots, I will talk later, yeah. So this is akusala and wholesome, this is a kusala. So kusala is only so this 12 is akusala and wholesome, is very clear. And out of the other consciousness, this is kusala, wholesome consciousness. And here is a 5, here is 4, and these 4 also included in the kusala list. So what are the others? Yeah, what are the others? Vipaka, resultant consciousness, and a functional consciousness. So it is called abhyagata. So abhyagata roots, yeah, abhyagata consciousness. So abhyagata means neither kusala nor akusala, neither wholesome nor unwholesome. So it is a collectively vipaka, resultant and functional kriya. So it is another name of the vipaka and vipaka, resultant consciousness, and kriya, functional consciousness. So that's why I say this is just a preparation for the next step. You know, in the patana, yeah, and the eighth chapter is a patana. Then you will see abhyagata. It's a lot of times. It's used abhyagata dhamma, yeah, kusalo dhamma, abhyagatasa dhammasa, like that a lot of times. So here, new words, abhyagata means neither wholesome nor unwholesome. It is the name of the resultant consciousness and functional consciousness. So that's one, you know already. So let's go here. So ahetuka 18, yeah, ahetuka. So this, even this, the words itself shows it is no roots, yeah, no roots. Is negative, hetu roots, yeah, ahetuka means rootless, rootless consciousness. So rootless consciousness 18, we have already know in first chapter, yeah. So here next step is how we can know. It is called ahetuka. So this one also you can see, and according to the second chapter, yeah, second chapter. Let's go here. So and then how to say, I think it's maybe helpful this one. So 18 ahetuka, rootless consciousness, yeah, rootless consciousness. these 7, this akusala vipaka and ahituka, kusala vipaka and ahituka, kiriya consciousness, how many mental factors are together with this 18? This is main, this is important to know the second chapter. If you understand that, oh, that's why it is called the ahituka. So, if you cannot say, very quickly, but I will tell you. 18 rootless consciousness, and out of the 52, out of the 52 mental factors, these 7, are together with 18 rootless consciousness. And out of these 6 occasionals, Savitaka, can be together with 18. Here, 55. Out of 55, you can see, can you see here any of the rootless consciousness there? Yes, only the 2 sets of fivefold sense consciousness are excluded. Receiving consciousness, investigating consciousness, and 5 sense-to adverting consciousness, determining or mind-to adverting consciousness, and a smile-producing consciousness are here. So that's why Vitaka also can be together with the rootless consciousness. And which are the same. Abhidhammattha also only excluded 2 sets of fivefold sense consciousness. And Viriya as well, Piti as well, because there's a 2 somanasa in the 18 rootless consciousness. Somanasa Sandirana and Somanasa Hasitopada. Investigating consciousness accompanied by joy, and smile producing consciousness accompanied by joy. So there's 2. So that's why Piti also can join together with the other mental factors. Chanda. How about Chanda? Chanda is all 18 rootless consciousness and 2 delusion-rooted consciousness. These 20 are excluded already. So that's why Chanda you cannot combine with the 18 rootless consciousness. And how about this Moha group? No. So all these mental factors cannot join together with 18 rootless consciousness. So altogether 7 universal Vitaka, Vichara, Abhidhammattha, Viriya, and Piti only. So how many roots out of these mental factors? No. Moha group, Moha roots is here, Lobha root is here, Moha, Lobha, Dosa root is here, Alobha is here, Adosa is here, Amoha is here. So that's why when you look at the 18 rootless consciousness, you cannot find any roots. So that's why it is called ahituka. Got it? Okay. So I think if you understand, oh, it's a main technique, how to see that. If you understand that, it's okay. But most of the Abhidhamma learner, they don't know why it is called the ahituka or rootless consciousness. How to find? This is the way how to see it. So And if you exercise with the other consciousness, you will understand more. So next one, Moha Mula 2. Yeah, delusion rooted consciousness. Before I go there, I need to say this. Yeah, this one, Loba, Dosa, Moha, Aloba, Adosa, Amoha, because I cannot type all the words inside. Yeah. Before I go here, I need to say this is 18. This 18 is Ahetuka. So out of 89, yeah, 89 minus 18, all the others, yeah, 71 are Sahetuka. Yeah, Sahetuka. Sahetuka means at least one, it has at least one root. So that's why 18 is Ahetuka and the other 71 is Sahetuka. So this is just an introduction of some Pali words, yeah? Because some Pali words you need to know that. You need to know that only English is not enough, yeah? So Ahetuka, Sahetuka. And then I want to go here. Eka Hetuka. Eka means one. Yeah. One roots. One roots. Dwi Hetuka. Dwi means two. And Ti Hetuka. Ti means three. So consciousness accompanied by one roots, accompanied by two roots and three roots. Okay, so then we can go next one. So this one also, you know that. So the technique or methods how to know why this Moha Mula, delusion rooted consciousness, has only one roots. So this one also, you have to go back to the second chapter. Yeah. So in second chapter, Moha, firstly, you have to go back to the first chapter. So first chapter, so Moha Mula 2 means here, delusion rooted consciousness. And we have to look at it. How many mental factors are together with this delusion-rooted consciousness? Yeah, this is important. So let me tell you first, 7 universal is no need to say, yeah? So this is all together with all consciousness. And Vitaka can be together with this? Yes, because Vitaka, if you find the consciousness together with the Vitaka, only these 2 sets of fivefold consciousness must be excluded. The other 44 sense-sphere consciousness joining with the Vitaka. So Vitaka, Vichara, and Adhimokha. In Adhimokha, this Vichikecha also excluded, but because of the Udicca, Adhimokha also cannot exclude in the list. Yeah, from the list. And Adhimokha, Viriya as well. Viriya, all these unwholesome consciousness are together with the Viriya. And Viriya and Piti. Piti, if you look at consciousness, which are together with the Piti, must be excluded this and this. But there is a Somnasa. Yeah, Somnasa. So only Somnasa are together with the Piti. So that's why if you look at how many mental factors are together with the delusion-rooted consciousness, piti cannot be here. Yeah? And chanda. So if you look at the all the consciousness which are combined with the chanda, there is a 2 delusion-rooted consciousness and 18 rootless consciousness must be excluded. So that's why chanda also you cannot find here. Okay. So next step, another group, moha group. Moha group, how many consciousness joining together with the moha group? 12 unwholesome consciousness are together with the moha group. Yeah, here, this moha group, here, moha group is all the unwholesome consciousness. And then so that's why here you can find what is it? Moha group 4. Yeah, moha group 4. And next group is lobha group. How many consciousness are together with the lobha group? Only these 8 greed-rooted consciousness. So that's why cannot be here. Yeah, cannot be here. And then next is dosa group. So dosa group also, how many consciousness are together with the dosa group? Only these 2. So cannot be included here. And next, tina and meta, sloth and torpor. Sloth and torpor is only with the sasankarika. Yeah, sasankarika. Here, sasankarika. The moha is not included here. And vichikiccha, doubt, is here. But so that's why vichikiccha can be here. So the other 25 beautiful mental factors cannot join, yeah, with this delusion-rooted consciousness. So here, how many roots you can see here? Only 1. Here, moha. Moha roots only. There's no lobha, no dosa, no alobha, adosa, and amoha. You understand? I hope you got it. Actually, it is like we are talking about the second chapter, yeah? First chapter. So that's why it is called the miscellaneous chapter. Miscellaneous. There's a mix in the first chapter and the second chapter, and on the other hand, preparation for the next step. So moha mula, delusion-rooted consciousness, has only 1 roots. Moha roots. How do you think? Do you understand what I say? Yeah, so this is only based on the first and second chapter. If you understand that, actually, it's easy. If not, if you have not digested the first and second, it's difficult. So let's see the next. Lobha mula, greed-rooted consciousness. So how many mental factors are together with the greed-rooted consciousness? 7 universals and vitaka and vichara, adhimauka, yeah, adhimauka, and viriya, piti, Because out of these 8, there is a 4 somanasa, yeah, consciousness accompanied by joy. So that's why piti as well, and chanda. Chanda is only must be excluded 2 delusion-rooted consciousness, 18 rootless conscious. So that's why chanda as well. But here still you cannot find any roots there. The root is coming. So moha group. Moha group 4 can be together because moha group is together with all unwholesome, 12 unwholesome consciousness. So that's why moha group also here. So lobha group 3. How about lobha group 3? Must be included or must be excluded? Of course, it is a lobha group is together with the greed-rooted consciousness. So here, 1 roots you see. Here, 1 roots you see. And how about the dosa group? Dosa group 4? No, yeah, cannot be together with the greed-rooted consciousness. So that's why, so 1 root is already excluded. And the other 25 beautiful mental factors, these 25 is only these 25 can only join with the combine with the 59 and 91 beautiful consciousness. So that's why these 25 also cannot join in this group, in the list. So that's why alobha, adosa, amoha already excluded. So that's why lobha mula, greed-rooted consciousness, has only 2 roots, lobha roots and moha roots here. Okay? Okay, so next is dosa mula, hatred-rooted consciousness. So this one also, let's see. 7 universal and vitaka, vichara, adhimokha. Yeah? Adhimokha and viriya, piti. How about piti? No. Yeah? Piti, chanda, yes. Yeah? Chanda, yes. And how about the moha group? Yes or no? Yes, yeah. And 1 roots you have. And lobha group, no. Yeah. So, and dosa group, yes. Yeah. So that's why here is a 1 and 25 is absolutely not. Yeah. So that's why alobha, adosa, amoha already excluded. Lobha also cannot. And dosa mula has only dosa roots and moha roots. So totally depends on how you understand the Chittasika, yeah, mental factors chapter. And then this one is a 2 roots. So that's why it is called the Dvihetuka. This one also, it is called Dvihetuka. So 2 roots. And next one is, wait a minute. Kama Sobana Jnana Vipayuta. So Kama is sense sphere, yeah? Sense sphere consciousness 54, yeah? Sobana, yeah? Sobana. Sobana must be excluded. If you say Sobana, the 12 and wholesome and 18 rootless, it is called asobana. Yeah, asobana, the opposite of the sobana. So that's why this excluded. As only 24 you have. So out of this 24, in the wholesome consciousness, kusala, mahakusala, there is a jnana vibhuta 4 and jnana sambhyuta. So consciousness accompanied by knowledge and it is called associated with knowledge and dissociated from knowledge. So jnana vibhuta is dissociated from knowledge. So because I want you to digest this one, so that's why I show you many times. As in my Burmese class, some people, if we practice exercise together without learning by heart, they know, because I made a lot of exercise, then they can understand. Yeah. So here jnana sambhyuta associated with knowledge, jnana sambhyuta, here jnana vibhuta, here jnana vibhuta. So out of this mahakusala citta, 4 consciousness you have, and out of these 8 also 4, and here also 4. Yeah. So it here is, that means, yeah, kama sovana jnana vibhuta. So means sense sphere consciousness, sense sphere beautiful consciousness associated with knowledge. 12. Yeah, you got it? So then let's go, how many roots? It has this 12 consciousness has how many roots? Yeah, so it's a clear 7 universal, vitaka, vichara, adhimokha, yeah, and viriya as well, piti, yes, but partially, yeah, partially. This one also I want to show a little bit. This 2 is, yeah, somanasa, but not because of this 2. This 2 is ubeka. Because of this 2, so piti we have to take, yeah. So piti as well, yeah, piti as well, chanda as well. And how about moha group? No, all the 14 unwholesome mental factors cannot be here. And how about 18 beautiful universal mental factors? Yes, yeah, yes. And 3 virities. I'm going to show a little bit here. This one, this with 3 virity, 8 mahakusala and lokodara 8. So 8 mahakusala. That's why it's also partially we have to take it out. Yeah. And 3 virity and 2 abhamanya also here. Yeah. Because 2 abhamanya is here. 8 mahakusala, mahakiriya, and first mundane jhana 3, second mundane jhana 3, and third, fourth mundane jhana. Yeah. So that's why 2 abhamanya also here. 2 abhamanya, and next one amoha, yeah, amoha, penyendriya or amoha or vijja, same. But the real the name of this mental factor is panyendriya. How about panyendriya? No, yeah, no. So out of these all mental factors, you have only here Aloba and Adosa. Aloba and Adosa. No Amoha, because there's no Pengendere. So that's why these two also Dvihetuka. So the rest consciousness has three roots. Yeah, three roots. And this one also, let's make some practice, because to be able to understand more. Kama, sense-pure, sobana, beautiful, jnana, sampayuta. Yeah, jnana, sampayuta. Here is two jnana sampayuta. Here also two jnana sampayuta. Out of this age and this age also the same. Yeah. So all together jnana sampayuta 12. Yeah. Jnana sampayuta 12. So these 12 also are together with 7 universal Vitaka, Vichara, and Adhimokha, Viriya, Piti as well, partially. Yeah. No, because of all jnana sampayuta is half somnasa, half ubeka. Piti and chanda, and no moha group. Yeah. No lobha group, no dosa group, and 19 beautiful mental factors. So that's why there is a alobha and adosa. Yeah, adosa, and 3 vidati, 2 abhamanya, and 1 penyendriya. Penyendriya, because jnana sampayuta associated with knowledge. So that's why here you can see here is amoha. Amoha. So all together 3 roots you can find here. So then it is called Tihetuka. And Mahagata 27. I think this one also new name. Yeah. So Mahagata here, Mahagata. It means sublime. Yeah. B-L-I, sublime. So it is 27 is fine material sphere consciousness 15, and formless sphere consciousness 12. So altogether 27. It is called sublime consciousness or Mahagata Chetas. Yeah, this one also new name, because this you will find a lot of new names here, because these new names will be helpful to you to learn more about the Abhidhamma. So Mahagata Cheta or sublime consciousness 27. So this 27 also you can find how many roots, 7 universal Vitaka. But Vitaka in the consciousness together, which are together with the Vitaka, is only first jhana. Yeah, you may notice that first, because of first jhana, Vitaka also must be here, and Vichara as well, first jhana and second jhana, and Adhimokha, Viriya, Piti also included, because first 2, fourth jhana is Somnasa, and Piti, Chanda as well, and there is no unwholesome mental factors. So that's why 3 roots is already excluded, and 19 beautiful universal, and 3 vidati, no. Yeah, with the 27 Mahagata. So 3 vidati are combining with the, what is it? Holds 8 Mahakusala, yeah, wholesome consciousness and 8 Lokuttara, supramundane consciousness. So this one cannot be here. And 2 Abhamanya, yes. And Amoha or Penyendriya, yes. So that's why this one also 3 roots. So that's why it is called Tihetuka. Lokuttara also, only this one is different. This Vidati, 3 Vidati are included there. So anyway, these 3 roots not change, no change. Yeah, so Tihetuka. So this is altogether 18 Ahetuka, rootless, and 2 Eka Hetuka. Yeah, Eka Hetuka. And 22 Dvihetuka and 47 Tihetuka. Because as long as you are learning the Abhidhamma, you have to know this name, because sometimes 47 Tihetuka, you will see there, but it will not say Kama Sovana Jnana Sampayutta 12 and Mahagata 27, Lokuttara 8. You will not find like this, maybe in some time, somewhere. And you will only see the 47 Tihetuka. Then you have to know 27 Tihetuka means these kinds of consciousness like that. So that's why I said it's a preparation for the next step. So I hope you understand this, yeah? It's the times of analysis of mental factors by roots. What is the difference between jnana, vipayutta, and moha? Okay. Okay. Moha is unwholesome roots. Yeah. Moha is unwholesome root. Moha will not be or always dissociated with the beautiful consciousness. Yeah. So moha will leads to the unwholesome states. But jnana vipayutta, here we have to know the jnana. Jnana is knowledge in English, but actually this kind of knowledge is, for example, one person, yeah. So yeah, one day you will become an arahant, yeah, Mr. Alan, yeah, arahant, yeah, arahant. So that day, if you practice the meditation, or if you practice the meditation inside your mind, there is a lot of good and a lot of wholesome consciousness happening, and also your action is leading to the jhana stage or sublime stage or supramundane stage. This is you are doing with the jnana sampayutta. Your consciousness is associated with the jnana, but sometimes without connecting with the other, that's sublime or supramundane stage, and you do a lot of good things, but how to say, sometimes unintentionally you do a lot of good things. This is we call the jnana. Even the arahant, sometimes unintentionally they do the good things. It is called the jnana vipayutta. Did you get my point? Sometimes you deliberately, your focus is to lead into the sublime and supramundane states. It is called the jnana. And also, sometimes you do the good things because you want a nirvana. It is called the jnana sampayutta, associated with knowledge. But sometimes you do good things without focusing to the other sublimes or supramundane state. This is jnana vipayutta. So moha is not like that. Moha make you deluded. It's a cloudy your mind to do anything, to anything bad happen. Greed-rooted consciousness or hatred-rooted consciousness. It's based, rooted from the moha. So moha and jnana vibhuta is totally different. Okay, so next week. next week, yeah. If you have any question from me.
Yes, can I ask something?
Okay.
Because what I realized is that DT is part of the Loba group and not of the Moha
Yes.
group. So can you say that in DT, because I'm still struggling a bit with DT, can you say that it is more about the greed part than about the wrong view part? Because it's not part of the Moha group.
No. Deity is because I think that we talk about a little bit, yeah. Why the deity round view is included in the Loba group. If you have some kind of round view, then you attach too much to that idea. So that's why it's a deity round view is included in the Loba group.
But
yeah. But moha is more or less connected with all other unwholesome, because it is made. Because of we have the moha, then we have loba dosa. If there is no moha, we don't have loba and dosa. So moha is the main roots for the unwholesome states.
And you can say that DT, okay, moha is the all over, and then DT is the holding on to a part of that or wrong. I'm still struggling with the whole DT thing, but because it's it's interesting why it's not part of the Moha group. And they choose to, they choose, or I don't know if they choose, but it's put by the
I understand why you are thinking like that, but it's I find it difficulties to explain. But because I learned all these, so that's why I know this is why the deity not included moha, because it is very different. But at the same time, it's very difficult to explain. I don't know how to explain that. Sally Aganyani, do you have any idea to talk? Okay, I will think about that. Yeah, how to explain that. Yeah, at the moment, at the moment I understand clearly, but difficult to explain. You know, Moha group is only just undecided situation. Yeah, but the deity is already decided. This is my idea. This is my idea. Like that.
The holding on to.
Yeah. Moha is not like that. Moha is just delusion. Delusion, making cloudy. Yeah. Making cloudy. So everything can happen, loba or dosa. Like that. It's the opposite of the amoha, wisdom or knowledge. Yeah. Mark?
Can you say that for DT, you need moha and lobha. So you can't have diti without lobha.
Yeah.
Because you need desire to get diti.
Yeah.
Without desire, it's only moha.
Yeah. So with the deity needs the lobha, yeah, desire is correct, but another sentence without lobha is a moha. But for the unwholesome states, it is a moha. Yeah, moha maybe or dosa.
Because in the lobha group, there is always a moha.
Yeah.
Moha is included in the lobha group as well.
Yeah.
It is not included, but it is there at the same time.
Yeah, when the lobha group is there, moha is there as well.
Yeah.
It's exit as a root. Yeah, exit as a root. Okay, so let's talk later next week. Yeah.
Thank you.
See you next week. Bye bye.
Thank you very much.
Have a weekend.
Bye.
Have a good, yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.